welcome back to Trash to Treasure Tuesday series. Now, in this video today, I'm going to show you some old flower stands that I've had for about 3 or 4 years, just never got around to redoing them, and I've just gotten motivated to start refreshing some of the items that I have found driving around my little town. So I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a like, leave me a comment down below, and if you're new to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I have a lot of great things that's going on my channel, and I would love for you to be a family member. So, as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all take care until the next Trash to Treasure Tuesday video. Now, with this stand, it has a different design. I don't know if you can tell in the middle, the circles are totally different. And I just am realizing, see that? I'm just realizing that it has a different pattern in this one. So that's why I turned it upside down to make sure that I got every little piece of the black or the whatever original color that it was. So, I moved it from in front of the door, and now I have it in the little backyard with the garbage bag, which I should have probably did with the first one. But I'm just going to let y'all go ahead and finish watching. And make sure to watch to the end because I have the before and the afters.